Hello kids, let's learn verbs, presentation. I can read. I can see. I can kick. I can listen. I can swim. I can run. I can hug. I can dance. I can play. I can hit. I can strum. I can throw. I can sleep. I can laugh. I can pitch. I can search. I can jump. I can float. I can catch.